Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Hello, Chef here with yet another video. What do we got in the mini mug? Oh, this is nature's Gatorade. Follow along as I show you how to make this, and wow, cheers to your health. Knives, blocks, tools. Professional chefs have been shopping at the sponsor for over 30 years, and wow, buy the best the first time. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Hello, Chef here. So this video I'm going to touch on some points on butcher block and maintaining butcher block. However, over the years a lot of people have asked me, Chef, how do you get such an awesome patina, the color on the butcher block? This one, by the way, has been used by many of the chefs for over 10 years. The color's amazing. I'll show you what I mean. Right here. This is a brand new piece of fresh cut maple butcher block. Do you see the difference? They're the same quality. They come from the same manufacturer. That is the sponsor's partner, by the way. Check it out right there if you need quotes and prices on the good stuff. Buy the best stuff the first time. There's many reasons. First of all, perfectly flat, perfectly square, uniform coloration, 1-year warranty, food safe glue, no formaldehyde, as in the imports they're using all kinds of garbage. It's just better quality. So you want to get the best quality you can the first time, and that's what I'm going to help you on with some tips here. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Marinated some artichoke hearts. I'm going to put a little bit of an artichoke salad. My persimmons rose. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. You can see how that shredded ham and that sour cream garnish is looking really good. I got some herbes de Provence on there, a few other things. And once again, thanks for watching the videos. Like, share, subscribe. Check out your sponsor. They've got the best tools in stock, ready to go, like the Porsche Turbo. This knife splits human hairs, and in Germany, it was tested as the sharpest knife test winner. Wow, love it. I've been rocking this one for quite a while now. It stays sharp, super easy to resharpen on a super fine stone. Wow, this knife is awesome. The other part of the knife is the surface it hits. And of course I'm talking about butcher block. This is rock maple butcher block, as you've seen the chefs using in all of our videos, on television, in magazines, home garden. Everybody's using this in their kitchen because it's the best surface. It's warm, It's inviting. Comes in a couple different woods and finishes and things, and it's great for resale. Flipping houses, remodeling kitchens, remodeling your house, butcher block. Check out the sponsor, and don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Black bean soup with shredded ham. Oh yeah. Beef chuck roast there, looking really good. A little bit of parsley as a garnish. Oh, that's gonna be good. Try out this recipe and make sure to subscribe. Check out the awesome healthy recipes. Live longer and get the best products the first time. Yeah, support small business, get cooking, and have a wonderful day. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. They come large, they come medium, and they come small. 3 sizes. Perfect for the ladies with the little hands. The glove's made to be loose fitting. It's not a tight fitting glove. Slides on and off. Put it in the dishwasher. Put it in the laundry machine. It doesn't matter how you wash it. Let it air dry. It's good. This glove is probably 10 years old. It's still going. So visit the sponsor. They got all these babies in stock. Like I said, 100% made in USA. That's the difference between shopping small, buying from a small business in the USA, and buying all the cheap garbage that's mass marketed by the big merchant. You know who they are. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Dragon fruit persimmons relish. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, that's gonna be good. Try out this recipe and make sure to subscribe. Please share it as well. I really like this crust recipe, and you can find it on the channel, of course. Even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips.